Hey guys, it is Keisha here, and today's video is a DIY Mother's Day basket, courtesy of items found at Dollar Tree. So this is great if you are on a budget, but you still want to make a basket for your mom for Mother's Day, or just the mother in your life. It doesn't have to necessarily be your mom. These items are all affordable, and yeah, I just put them together to make a cute basket. This is all about relaxation. So I got her some shower fizzers, and these are in lavender. I also got her a scalp scrubber for her shampooing and conditioning, just to help relax her scalp and kind of start from the head and work to the toes. And then this is a makeup sponge holder, and it actually has a suction at the bottom, which is kind of cool. And this comes in several colors. And I also got her some stuff for her feet. My mom is on her feet a lot with her job, so I thought that these items would be great. This is a foot spa kit, and there's also a hydrating foot mask. And I mentioned these items in another video, and I will link that below if I remember which one it is. But yeah, these are all at Dollar Tree in the beauty and the health aisle. I also found some scented candles because, of course, that helps with relaxation. This one is in salted watermelon, and it really does smell really, really good. This is just one of many types of candles that they have. I also bought her another candle, which this one has a frosted container and a nice little cork lid. They had several ones from this brand. I thought it would be perfect for this gift. I also bought her this bath bomb. It is in lavender. They had a few other scents there as well. Like I said, I will mention the video that I spoke about these in previously, but this is just great for relaxation. Also, for relaxation, I got her some Epsom salt. Epsom salt is great for getting the tension out and relaxing your muscles. So if you haven't considered it, I would definitely encourage you to. And of course, who doesn't need a new loofah? I thought this one was great with the ivory and gold accents. I just thought it would be perfect with the color combination that I have going on with this basket. And finally, I want to mention this cup. I got it from the plus section. It was $5, and it is the perfect color and size for my mom. And I got a basket from the Essentials brand, and she can reuse this after she's taken everything out, of course, to organize. And this is what we have, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just going to put this all together. It should come out pretty good. You can buy whatever you think your mom would like best to add. This isn't going to be everything. I'm going to throw in a gift card and some few other things that I know my mom likes, but I wanted just to show you that you can put together a nice basket for Mother's Day. And it doesn't have to be just like this, but just kind of walk around Dollar Tree and see what they have. They have great items for self-care and just a great way to pamper your mom on this day. I didn't have any particular way of arranging things. I just put everything into the basket and kind of moved it around, and fluffed it here and there. Added the decor scatter in there as well, the filler in there, just to make it look nice, and to fill it up a little bit. I wish I would have gotten some other maybe wrapping to go on the bottom, because as you can see, some of the scatter is falling out, unfortunately. I really didn't think about the size of the holes of the basket. That's on me, y'all. So I should have thought about that, but still, I think it turned out pretty good. I do have some bows as well from Dollar Tree that I'm going to put on this basket, so that'll help bring everything together. And this is the final look. Of course, like I said, I'm going to get her a gift card. I'll probably put some of her favorite candies and things like that in there. And yeah, this will be great. I think she'll enjoy it. And this is just an idea for you guys if you are trying to put something together for Mother's Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs it up. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.